So guys, when it comes to servicing, the first thing that comes in your mind is oil change. So if you can easily do the oil change at home, then you can save a lots of money guys. My name is Ryson and welcome to Rysfix. And in this video I will show you guys how to replace the oil on a KTM RC390 or on any of the KTMs. So it is going to be a very interesting video guys. So see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. So guys, if you see inside of this glass, then you can check if the oil level inside of your engine is correct or no. What I feel here is, in my engine, the oil level is slightly less, but the bike is on the side stand guys. So come on, let's drain all the oil first and then we'll see how much oil is there inside of this engine. Now to drain this oil guys, you will have to take out two bolts. Now I have already made a video on how to replace the oil, but in that video guys I did not show how to take out the other bolt to drain the oil. That is the reason why I am making another video on this. So if you come very close to the bike guys and if you go down here, then you will notice the oil drain bolt. So this is the first oil drain bolt. Then if you go underneath the engine guys, then you will notice that there is a bolt here as well. So this is the second oil drain bolt. So these two bolts you will have to take out now. Now to take out both these bolts, you will have to take out your side panels, your underbelly cover. Now I have already made a video on all of that. I will put a link of that in the end screens. You can later go there and watch those videos as well. So you don't need to worry at all guys. I've got you covered. So first get the container to collect your dirty oil and see that you align the container exactly below the oil drain bolt. And then you will need two types of sockets guys. The first socket that you will need is a 18mm socket, and the second socket that you will need is a 13mm socket. When you have these two sockets ready, then you are ready to take out these bolts. So first take your 18mm socket and take the side bolt out completely. Once you take this out, your oil will start to come out. So let it drain. So now come on, let's go and take out the other bolt. So take the 13mm socket and loosen this bolt first and then take it out completely. Once you take it out completely, the oil will also start to come out from this side now guys. So align your container where you feel the oil will drop before taking out the bolt completely. Once you align it, now you can take this bolt out completely. Now this bolt will be attached to a filter that also will come out along with the bolt. If it doesn't come out, then you'll have to pull it out somehow. If you go close to the drain, then this oil drain looks something like this guys. Now let all the oil flow out guys, and as you guys can see how this filter looks like. Now two things I have already opened here guys, but still you will have to open one more thing, and that is oil filter compartment. So for this you will need a 8mm socket. So here I will take a 8mm T-spanner and I will take out the two bolts on this oil filter cover. Once I am done taking out these two bolts, if this cover is not coming out, then tap it slightly with a spanner like this. See that you don't tap too hard guys. So when you tap it a little bit, and after that when you try to pull it, your oil filter cover will come out easily like this. So now you will have to pull out the oil filter guys. You can't pull it with your bare hands. So for that I have made a special tool. So by making use of this tool, I will take out this oil filter. So here comes out my oil filter. So what type rod I have prepared, you guys can see that here. I have slightly bended the rod on one end. This is a very thin rod which comes in the windshield wipers. So you also can make this type of a tool if you want. And now you can pull the oil filter out with your bare hands. So here I have pulled out my oil filter, and as you guys can see the state of my oil filter. So now I will replace this with a new one. But before I put in the new filter, I will bend the bike a little bit on this side and I will let all the oil flow out once I straighten the bike. So the moment I straighten the bike, you guys can see how much oil came out. So like this guys, you will have to open these three things and let all the old oil flow out. This you will have to do in a relaxing manner guys. Don't make a haste. Take out your panels nicely and in a relaxing manner drain all the oil from these three sides. Because further in this video I will show you guys what to do next. So once you are done draining all the oil, take a clean cloth and wipe inside of the oil filter compartment. Once you wipe it nicely, now I will open my new oil filter. This has cost me 80 rupees. As you guys can see, I have bought this from the showroom. This is the original oil filter. So this one I will put inside now. How a new oil filter looks, you guys can see that here already. So this oil filter you will have to put inside now in a relaxing manner. And you will have to push it inside slightly. And once you push it inside, it will stay in the middle like this. Then you will have to get your cover and the two bolts which you had taken out from top of this cover. Now it's time to put them back and tighten them properly. Once you tighten them properly, the bolt which you had taken out from under the engine, on which the filter was there. Now wipe this filter with that same clean cloth and take out all the dirt which is there on the threading as well. And once you take out all the dirt and oil on this filter, take a waterproofing tape which is used for plumbing and apply it on the thread like this. Once you apply the waterproofing tape on the thread, it will look something like this, as you guys can see. Once you put the waterproofing tape on the thread, put inside the bolt and tighten it properly. So here I'm done putting back the oil filter and oil filter cap back. I'm done putting the down bolt back, but still there is one more bolt left to be put inside, which I had taken out from the side. So let's go to that bolt now. So as you guys can see, inside of this drain also there is a filter which I have not taken out yet. So you will have to make use of a plier and take this filter out as well. Rotate it slowly and take it out completely. And once you take it out, as you guys can see how it looks like and how dirty oil is there on this filter, you guys can see that. So make use of a clean cloth and wipe this filter as well. And once you are done wiping this filter, make use of the same cloth and wipe the place where this filter goes inside. Make use of a finger and wipe inside of this place. Once you clean inside of this drain, let's look inside how it looks like. And as you guys can see how clean it is looking now. Now the filter you have cleaned, you have also cleaned inside of this drain. Now put back the filter and rotate it a little bit so that it goes inside properly. If it doesn't go inside properly, then you can't put the top bolt back properly. Once this goes inside properly, now get your oil drain bolt back and put it back and tighten it properly. So guys, once you are done doing this, you are done doing the major job. You are done doing your hard work. So the next thing that you should be doing is putting fresh oil inside of your engine. Now when it comes to engine oil capacity guys, somebody say 1500, somebody say 1600, some say 1700, but definitely guys, the engine oil which goes inside of this engine is more than 1500 ml. You can find that out on the oil level glass. So before you put the oil inside of the engine, wipe the cap and also the place through which you will put the oil inside. Also wipe the glass so that you can see the oil level properly. Then put the funnel. Then here is my new oil. This has cost me 1360 rupees. This is a 10W50 oil and this is 1500 ml oil. But guys, when you go to buy the oil, see that you buy 2 containers like this, or if you are getting the same oil in a 500 ml container, or if you are getting it in a 1 liter container, then see that you buy that, because you will need extra oil guys, because this 1500 ml oil is not enough for this engine. So here I have opened my oil. So this entire oil I will empty inside of my engine now. And once I'm done emptying all this oil inside of my engine, let's check the engine oil level. So guys, last time I had asked the service center how much oil goes inside of the engine. Those guys had told me that around 1675 ml goes inside of the engine. But when you put 1675 ml oil inside of this engine, it will still not show you the correct level if you look inside of the oil level glass, because your engine oil level should come between the min and the max level when you look inside of the oil level glass. If it comes between that, then your engine has correct engine oil level. So here I have emptied the entire bottle inside of my engine. So let's go near the oil level glass and let's check how much oil level it is showing now. Now the bike is on the side stand guys. So I will straighten the bike and I will show you guys. So the moment I straighten the bike, then you guys can see that my engine oil is come up now. So this much engine oil level should be there on your bike guys. But still I have not started the bike guys. So like this, when you are done filling up with engine oil, 1500 ml oil is inside of this engine now guys. And if I straighten the bike, it is showing this much of oil level, which is a good thing. So now I will start the bike and I will see how much engine oil level it shows after that. So put back your oil filler cap and come on, let's start the bike now. So guys, now let's go and see what the engine oil level shows. Now when you check the oil level guys, you will notice that the oil level has dropped, because now the engine oil is spread around the entire engine. So this is not the right time to check the engine oil level guys. So keep the bike like this for a while, let the oil come back down, and after a while you can check the engine oil level. And on that you will have to add more engine oil if you need. First add 100 ml more and check the engine oil level. And if that is not enough, then you can add another 100 ml. And like this, you will have to check your engine oil level till it comes to the correct level. And after that, you are done replacing your engine oil. So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful to you. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Rysfix signing out. Until we meet again.